you. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to plan before going for a large building airtightness test. As you can see here on my screen, this is one of the buildings where I did airtightness testing for BC Energy Step Code compliance. The air infiltration testing on this building was done using the ASTM E779 standard. There's also another standard called the U.S. Army Corps version 3. If you look at the BC Building Code, under Part 10, you'll see that these are the two accepted test standards you can use to demonstrate airtightness compliance. Before going to site, it's very important to plan ahead and understand the test procedure. Whether you're following ASTM E779 or the U.S. Army Corps version 3, you need to know how the testing is done, how to collect the data, and how the results are reported. The first thing to do as a technician or energy advisor is to go through the training on VT Knowledge, which is our company's learning platform. There you'll learn about the testing procedure, how to fill out the data forms, and how to use the fantastic software. Manual data collection for large buildings can be challenging, so Fantastic helps by letting you run all the fans from one location and automatically gives you the fan flow at 75 PA. Before going to site, get the building plans and the energy model compliance report from the modeler. From the model, you can find the target airtightness used in the simulation, usually given in liters per second per square meter. Your measured results should be equal to or better than that number. Then use the Retrotech Excel file to calculate how many fans you'll need. You can enter the building's envelope area or conditioned volume to estimate airflow requirements. Always plan to carry one or two extra fans because being short on site can delay testing and increase costs. In the planning stage, you should also decide what size of vehicle you'll need. Large buildings often require multiple fans, frames, and hoses, so arrange for a large enough vehicle in advance. Each fan needs its own dedicated power outlet, so bring plenty of extension cords and power bars. If bringing a ladder is difficult, talk to the builder ahead of time and have one available on site. The builder should also have blueskin tape ready for sealing, which is mentioned in the builder checklist with a link to where it can be purchased. Before the test day, send the builder checklist. It explains what openings must be sealed and what should remain open, since the requirements differ slightly between ASTM E779 and U.S. Army Corps version 3. A builder can go through the checklist and make sure everything's ready before you arrive. Finally, decide how you'll collect data. If you're using the fantastic software, you can operate all the fans together and record readings automatically. If you're doing it manually, use the data collection form provided during training, which has all the pressure points and flow light fields you'll need. Good planning saves a lot of time and effort on site. If you understand the standards, prepare your equipment and coordinate with the builder early, the actual testing will go smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.